Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer data from your previous iPhone to your new iPhone 16e. In order to do it, you need to erase, if you already have set up your iPhone 16e, you need to erase it because restoring from data has to override all the data that's on the iPhone 16e. So if it's already set up, then you need to go to General, in Settings of course, Transfer and Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings, continue, erase iPhone, enter your passcode. I'm gonna skip the backup and enter your Apple account password. But of course, if your iPhone hasn't been set up yet, then we'll get to that later. We just need to revert to the state of setup. So I need to click on turn off, and now it's resetting itself. And now we are in the setup, so this is where we need to start from. I'm just gonna swipe up, select the language first, and then I can select the region. Now just select the appearance, click on continue, and now you can just take your other iPhone, probably your old iPhone, and it'll show you set up new iPhone. I'm gonna click on unlock to continue, then I'm gonna enter my passcode. And it should start doing it after I scan this animation to verify that I have this iPhone right in front of me. And now here on this iPhone, we need to click on Setup for me, then enter the passcode to the old iPhone on the new iPhone. To verify that this is our iPhone. Now just continue with the data and privacy information. You can read it, and I think it's worth reading everything that it shows. Now you can also set up Face ID, and it's up to you. I'm gonna set it up by clicking on continue. You just need to position your face within the frame after clicking on get started and move it in an oscillating move, so it scans your face from different angles. Now you can also click on use Face ID with a mask, so you can scan again, but it'll focus more on your eyes. But I'm gonna click on don't use Face ID with a mask, then click on continue. Now click on continue to transfer data from your previous device. And it'll automatically switch the account, transfer the Apple account to that iPhone. I'm gonna place this old iPhone here so you can see what's happening here. Now you need to just agree to terms and conditions. Now you can customize what will be transferred from your previous iPhone. I'm just gonna click on continue to do it the same as like to transfer everything. Then I'm gonna also turn on location services. You can also turn on the stolen device protection. Then you can set up the Apple Pay. I'm gonna click on Setup later. You can select whether or not you want to share iPhone analytics with Apple and app developers. I do, so I'm gonna select it. Then you can also customize your action button. Let's customize it maybe to a torch. Click on continue. Then there is the emergency SOS, so I'm just gonna click on continue. This is all the information that you need. Basically, on the old iPhone, I'm gonna click on OK, and now you can see they are transferring. And everything should get transferred, including the wallpaper and the very minor settings as well. And the transfer time may vary depending on how much data you have on your old iPhone. So if you have a lot, it may take even up to half an hour from what I've tried so far. Maybe even more, depending on various factors. You can see I can click on complete. You can also erase this old iPhone. Okay, this is restart. If you want, you can erase this old iPhone so you can sell it or trade it in or give it away to someone. So if you do, click on continue, but I'm gonna click on not now because I want to leave this iPhone. And we won't need this old iPhone anymore, so I'm gonna put it away and just wait until this new iPhone boots. And on the iPhone, you can just enter my passcode. Okay, it's not the one. And click on continue. Then you can set up your eSIM, and if you want, you can also transfer it from your old iPhone, or use a QR code, or click on setup later in settings. Or if you have the European version of the iPhone, you can also just insert the physical SIM into the SIM card slot, then swipe up, and your phone is transferred. And the apps that have been on the previous one are being downloaded right now, and as you can see, everything is transferred, including the wallpaper, as I said, the apps, the settings. Everything works completely the same. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.